Hey, just getting the old 256 roller bar rake together, and as you can see, these teeth take a beating. And I tried a couple different brands, replacement teeth. Some of them were okay, some of them left something to be desired. So just for giggles, I ordered a couple of these rubberized teeth from Shoup. The only thing I found is you can't use kind of these original bolts that held the kind of the curve shaped hook teeth on there, because those bolts have a square head that recesses and holds kind of right back in there. And of course that hook tooth comes down and hangs down like that. With these rubberized replacement teeth, there's no square recess. So I just grabbed a couple ones that I had in the shop and put them on. Just something without that square head retainer on the back. Same nut I had from another kit, but just to give you a quick idea what it looks like side by side. Here's kind of an original setup. Let's see if we can get it where you can see it just a touch better. Maybe like right here, right about there should be okay. So you can see right here, got the original setup. The hook, of course, goes around in there, and on this rubberized new tooth, there's just the bolt. I ran through it and tightened it on the back. I happen to have some lock washers, so I'll put those on there. We'll see how they do. Seem to have a pretty nice little fit right up under that roller bar. So we'll see come hay season, but if you're looking for those replacement teeth on a 256 roller bar, just know if you get those, you're gonna have to change how that's attached up there. All right, thanks.